infinite resources in Baseball 9 is no more far away, because today I'm going to show you how you can actually get it in just 2 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so I've actually got Baseball 9 on my phone right here. As you guys can see, this is my team right here. I do not have actually any coins right now, just 3,000, very little, and no diamonds at all. It's not going to be a fun experience to play the game right now, right? But we are going to change that right now, okay? And I'm going to show you how step by step. Okay guys, so what you want to do now actually is to just get out the app, as I am doing right here, and what you want to do is to actually go into your settings, and you're going to want from Media General, and here background app refresh, make sure it's turned on Wi-Fi and mobile data, guys. Both of that. Okay, once that's done, we're actually going to go back and find for me the apps right here, and you're gonna want to find the App Store, and here automatic downloads is turned on, please, all of that. Okay, once that's done, we're gonna actually go into the Safari, which is your browser of choice, and I'm actually just gonna type in appstore.com. This is the site to go, guys. Okay, remember that. And here we have a bunch of different apps, very fun games, but of course today we are actually just going to focus on Baseball 9, so I'm going to search it on here. Baseball, here it is, just press on that. Okay, and here it shows you the feature that it gives, and we're actually going to just press the download button. Okay, alright, and once this is done, guys, we're gonna go to something called a verification process, because we still need to do something to, support the creators of this amazingly good feature, right? But of course, don't worry, it's very simple. You just need to download 2 apps that it gives you. Here you go. These are the 2 apps. Just download 2 and use them for 1 to 2 minutes. And of course, don't worry guys, it's on App Store, so it's gonna be very legit. You don't need to worry about hacks and all that stuff. Okay, so Travel Time right here. And let's do TikTok right here. But remember guys, if you guys decide to choose TikTok, which you might already have, please remember to just delete it first, okay? Here, I'm gonna get into Travel Town right now. Okay, confirm that. And like I said, just spend 1 to 2 minutes on these apps. Doesn't matter what you do, I'm just gonna actually do random things, press some random buttons. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe it's a mix and match game, I don't know. Maybe it's together, that and that. Alright, I think that should be about done. And of course, we're gonna move on to about TikTok. And just gonna select some random dates. Okay, next on that. Agree, choose some categories. Okay, just do some swipe. Very easy. Okay. Alright. Okay. Do some more swiping, swipe action, and we should be done. And now the magic begins. You're actually just gonna go into your Baseball 9 one more time and see. Let's just wait and there we go, guys. The coins, the diamonds, they're all here. I am now rich. I can now enjoy the game in its fullest experience. It is so fun, it's so amazing, guys. And of course, what I want to do now is to just actually try it home for yourself, and to see that if my trick actually works. And if you do, let me know.